D-Rain. Alright, D-Rain, you want to do this beat challenge, my nigga?
He said,
you just hit me with the ad-lib?
yeah.
We off the...
Tell him we off
the motherfucking... Panama punch, my nigga. I'm not even gonna show my face, cause that's how I
Yeah, don't put me in there.
low key, everybody ripped. Nobody wanna show their face.
Edit my voice.
Oh, Dancing Queen. Cause none of these motherfuckers ever do that beat for me. All you producers out there, you know who you are if you listening to this. And I told you to sample Dancing Queen. My nigga D-Rain gonna do that hoe.
It's good.
Damn, we got a technical foul right now.
Hold up.
But it's okay.
You got kicked out the hotel.
That's Missile?
Cause it's time to check out.
Bro, it's only at 10 minutes and 57 seconds.
Yeah, then I'm gonna add more shit.
Yeah, hey, add some of that bitch singing. You can dance. I hit that hoe too, so I just want the camera to know. Is that a skate park? Bro, there's a skate park over there, guys. Oh my god, bro. Yeah. But honestly, the beat is done. Now you just spicing it up.
The singing shit with.
And we've interrupted a lot too.
I didn't want to.
In the car in Colorado.
Off Panama Punch.
Off some Panama Punch. Hit it, D-Rain.
You want me to hit it again?
Yeah.